Neewer advanced 16-inch LED ring light. In the package you'll get carrying case, ring light, remote control, wireless Bluetooth remote, ball head adapter, mobile phone bracket, power adapter, and a tripod.
Neewer bag very light, comes with a shoulder strap, and a ring light fits perfectly in there. With this Bluetooth remote, you can control your cell phone, if it's Apple or Android. Right here, you can see there's one button for Apple and one is for Android. You plug in your power in the back of the ring light. Right here is a port, power port. And power adapter comes with the power switch. Ball head adapter mounts on a cold shoe on your ring light, and then you'll need to tie it. And on top, you can mount your DSLR camera. That's how it looks with camera mounted on a ring light. And the remote has a couple buttons. Here's a power button, here's a button to adjust the temperature, and here's a button to adjust the brightness. And here's a mode button. You can control multiple ring lights with one remote. Right here, we can turn it on. So right now, I don't know if you guys can see this clearly. This is a soft light, and I can increase temperature for a daylight. Right now, this is a daylight. And then also, I can adjust the brightness. This is the highest it will go. I think it's too bright. And then you can turn it off. And right here on the remote, you can see channel, you can see temperature and a brightness. And also you can mount your phone with a phone bracket. And you can readjust your bracket to horizontal or vertical shooting. There is a knob in the back. And the last thing I would like to show you, it's a front controller. As you can see, power button, you can press on it. It's gonna turn on the display. Right here, you can turn your ring light. This is gonna adjust the brightness. And if we press this button, this is gonna adjust the temperature. And it's all touch screen. Since this ring light comes with a camera tripod, so I'm gonna be able to use, this is like 2-in-1, tripod and a light together. So by using this light, I'm gonna try to get rid of 2 of these lights. They're bulky, they're uncomfortable, and they're actually producing a lot of heat in my studio. So my goal is try to replace these 2 lights with one ring light.